Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to walk through how to withdraw your profits from MetaTrader 5 directly to your bank account. Let's get right into it. First, it is important to understand that MetaTrader 5 is a trading platform, not a broker. This means you cannot withdraw your money directly from the MT5 app to your bank. To get your funds, you need to route them through your specific broker, such as XNES, or whichever brokerage account you originally used to trade. To do this, open your broker's app or website and log into your account. Once inside your broker's dashboard, locate the internal transfer section. You will need to transfer your funds from your MT5 trading account into your broker's main wallet. After the funds successfully reflect in your broker's main wallet, simply navigate to the withdraw option. From the withdrawal menu, select bank transfer, choose your linked bank account, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and confirm the transaction. The processing time will depend on your specific broker, but your money is now successfully on its way to your bank account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like, subscribe to ClearTask, and hit the notification bell for more direct, no-nonsense guides. See you in the next video.